Welcome to 3D Chill. Today, we're going to be replacing this ugly universal corner mount with a custom low profile mount specifically designed to fit your Wyze cameras. Let's get to it. If you want to download this print, there's a link in the description below. Make sure your camera fits the mount before installing. If you find that it's too tight, you may need to reprint it at 103%. Make sure to find a height that'll give you enough slack for your USB cable. Given how lightweight this setup is, I opted not to use wall anchors. Don't tighten all the way. You'll need to make sure you leave some wiggle room to push the USB cable through the corner slot. Once your mount's secure, your Wyze Cam should slide right into the mount. All that's left to do now is to push the USB cable up through the slot and plug it into the camera. This is a fantastic design that will complete your Wyze camera install. I'm very pleased with how this project turned out. I'm confident you'll like it too. If you enjoy this content, please leave a like and subscribe.